Best modifications for a 2026 Mercedes-AMG A35, compact luxury meets power. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG A35 continues to redefine what a compact luxury performance car can be, blending AMG's racing DNA with everyday usability and premium refinement. Equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, the A35 offers blistering performance in a sleek, sophisticated package. But beneath its polished surface lies even greater potential. With the right modifications, this elegant hot hatch transforms into a fierce, track-ready machine capable of challenging far more expensive rivals. Powering the A35 is AMG's hand-built M260 engine, which produces around 302 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque from the factory. While already potent, it responds extremely well to performance tuning. The first step in the journey is to improve airflow. A high-flow cold air intake from Venturi or MST enhances breathing efficiency and adds an intoxicating turbo spool sound. Pair that with a downpipe and catback exhaust system from Remus, Akrapovic, or Miltech, and you'll unleash a deeper, more aggressive exhaust note while freeing up hidden horsepower. To extract the most from these upgrades, an ECU remap is essential. Tuners like Rentec, RaceChip, or BR Performance offer Stage 1 and Stage 2 software tunes that can boost output to between 370 to 400 horsepower, significantly improving mid-range torque and throttle response. For enthusiasts seeking even more performance, an upgraded intercooler, turbo inlet pipe, and performance spark plugs ensure consistent power delivery under heavy load. The A35's robust drivetrain easily handles these increases, maintaining smoothness and reliability. Handling upgrades further enhance the A35's dual personality. The stock suspension strikes a fine balance between comfort and control, but adding KW-V3 coilovers or Bilstein B16 dampers allows for custom tuning of ride height and damping. I-back sway bars and PowerFlex bushings sharpen turn-in and reduce understeer, while lightweight forged wheels from BBS or HRE, paired with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, dramatically improve grip and responsiveness. For braking, AMG's stock setup is strong, but a big brake kit from Brembo or AP Racing offers greater fade resistance and consistent performance under high stress. Slotted rotors, ceramic pads, and stainless steel brake lines provide improved pedal feel and modulation, crucial for spirited driving or track use. Visually, subtle aerodynamic upgrades can elevate both appearance and performance. A carbon fiber front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser from Maxton Design or AMG Performance parts not only enhance downforce but also give the A35 a more commanding stance. Add a roof spoiler and carbon mirror caps for that true AMG flair. Inside, Recaro sports seats, AMG steering wheels, and short-throw shifters create a cockpit that feels track-ready yet luxurious. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG A35 is proof that compact performance and luxury can coexist perfectly. With carefully chosen modifications, it evolves from a stylish commuter into a genuine performance machine, elegant enough for business meetings and thrilling enough for weekend track days.